Is the law of attraction good or bad? An important piece to utilizing the law of attraction is understanding that it's neither good nor bad. It's a tool that can just as easily be used for manifesting negative things as it can be for good. One really sad way I see this happen a lot is within relationships. Someone might be stuck in the same cycle which continues to reinforce their beliefs and keeps the cycle going. It takes recognizing the pattern and deciding to change it to be able to move forward. As humans, we adapt our memories to fit our perspective. Another word for perspective could be agenda, but this usually carries a negative connotation, and this is another thing that is neither good nor bad. Fitting our memories to fit our agenda is human. Think of a positive person who sees the good in everyone and believes the world is, for the most part, a pretty pleasant place. Then think of how some people are always complaining about how bad the world is. They think youngsters are all trouble and don't respect their elders and so on. Both of them could provide ample evidence of their beliefs, so neither of them is wrong, but what they choose to believe is what they see in the world. There's also no exact science or proper way to manifest. If you polled 20 different people about what steps they took to manifest something, you might get 20 different responses. Learning all you can about the law of attraction and then following your own intuition when it comes to the exact methods you use is the best way to be successful. Success and failures are all part of learning, so don't be afraid to get some messy hands-on experience. Jump in and have fun with it. Don't get caught up on making sure it's perfect.
Hey there, it's Ashley from RelaxedMagic.com. This clip is from a longer class that covers this topic much more in depth. Using the links in the description, you can check it out right now. It's on Udemy for a low price that allows you to own it forever, or you can find it on SkillShare. The link in the description will give you access to the first 2 months for free. Thanks for checking it out, and I look forward to seeing you in class. For more magical tips and spiritual insights, make sure to hit the subscribe button below.